Welcome to my channel ASP.NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we will explore different ways to combine data using SQL Union. Let us begin. This query combines employees from both USA and India, removing duplicates. Union all includes duplicates unlike union. Both select queries must have the same number of columns and data types. This returns employees with salaries above 60,000 from both tables. Order by must be applied at the end, not to individual queries inside union. Here, we intentionally set department as null in the second query. Union still works as long as the number of columns and data types match. Nulls are considered during duplicate elimination. We are calculating an annual bonus by multiplying the salary. Using expressions or aliases in both selects is allowed as long as the structure is consistent. We covered multiple ways to use union efficiently. Try these queries and comment if you have any questions.